most of people will have been suicidals. You know suicidals? A person who kills himself. Why are they killing themselves? Lack of education. They are barbaries. That's the congratulations of the teachers. Congratulations for the teachers. Congratulations for the teachers. Let us turn to the students. The students are tomorrow leaders, by the way. So my advice is you must turn and tie weight no man. Let's say turn and tie weight no man. Especially from 4 and 8 levels. Almost 6 months has passed it. And now we are heading towards the final examination. You must increase